Alright, hey guys. Today I'm going to be talking about two knives that I recently purchased. Well, my dad purchased them for me, trying to be a nice guy. They're both automatic knives. I'm not sure on the measurements. I didn't measure them before I checked them out or whatnot or made this video. But this one, I think it's made in China. It's got a rosewood plate right here, pocket clip. It's alright construction. I mean, it's cheap. It's only a $10 knife. But hold on. Alright, you got your safety here. This is not safe. That's safe. Well, I guess fire safe. I don't know. However you guys want to think about it as. But this one's like about a 3.5-inch, 4-inch blade. Like I said, they're both automatic. This one's pretty freaking fast for as small as it is. Granted, this one's almost as fast. It's a little bit slower, but I mean, it's got a nice. You can tell it's a Chinese made just by the quality of it and the fact it doesn't say anything besides. Oh, it's camera focus here. Well, it's not going to focus, but it says stainless right there. Yeah, overall, for $10, I don't think you can really go wrong. I mean, I know you can get better for $10. I mean, this knife's got a good weight to it and everything. But, there's always better quality out there for only $10. I mean, you can go out and spend probably $50 to $100 and get like a Spyderco or a Benchmade or a SOG knife or something along them lines. I mean, there's always good stuff out there. Just what you can afford at the time and what they have to offer. Well, you can't see that. Well, you kind of can there. That's a green dot, meaning it's safe. It's on safety. Push that switch down, red, it's ready to go. This knife's got more of a dagger blade to it compared to this one. It's about the same, only just longer. It looks more daggerish, I guess. I don't know if that's even a word. I wasn't really prepared when I was making this video. But, yeah. Overall, this one's got like 3 more inches on it, so this is probably this right here, like a 4.5-inch blade. This one right here is like a 3.25 inch, roughly. This knife is better construction. Overall, it's more heavy. It's put together better. In my opinion, it feels nicer. All this one is really is a paperweight to me. It's a quick little sumbitch. This one's actually, to tell you the truth, this is my brother's. My dad bought my little brother. This is my little brother's 3rd knife he's ever had. This one's probably like my 15th. Granted, I collect them. My little brother doesn't. But the nice thing about this is you can hit the button when it's on safety. Pull safety back and hit it. but you gotta be paying attention or you'll hit a toolbox. Yeah. It's a quick knife. This one needs sharpened. This one's brand new. Doesn't need sharpened. It's sharper than hell. It's not sharp enough to like shave your arms or anything like that with yet. I mean, hasn't been. We haven't touched it with our diamond sharpener yet. This one definitely needs it. I doubt this one would even take the bark off a tree. It's dull. But this one was $35. I forget what brand this one is because it didn't come with a box. He wouldn't give us a box, don't ask me why. But this one, I'm not even sure where it's made. It's probably made in China or Pakistan as well as this one. But I don't know. Just wanted to show you guys these. If you're looking to get an automatic knife, if you have the money, get better quality. If you don't, these are great to play with and figure out how the mechanisms and everything work in them. This would be my third Switchblade. This would be my little brother's second. Don't know what to talk to you guys about besides, I don't know. I don't know if you guys seen that. Mine says .440 stainless. Again, there's a green dot, red dot, safety, off safety, hit the button. I'm trying to get, that's just to pull up. My little brother's only says stainless, mine says .440 stainless. Second .440 stainless knife I've had. It's probably gonna rust anyway, even though it says it's good quality steel. I mean, I guess I really can't complain for $30, $35. I mean, they both come with sheaths, but the sheaths were cheap little dinky nylon sheaths. Everybody's seen them. They're like 25 cents a piece probably if you're going to buy one, or $1 a piece. They're nothing special. I mean, they don't have anything fancy on them at all besides a belt loop and a freaking Velcro top. Well, hold on. I might be able to go grab one for you people that haven't seen one before. Alright, this one's really dusty. I mean, it's got the belt loop, Velcroed, knife. This one I know doesn't go to this, and I doubt it might fit. More than likely it will. I mean, it just goes in there. There you go, your knife's in there, all safe. I guess. Don't ask me, I don't use them. I use a pocket clip. This pocket clip's pretty stiff. Same with this one. This one's a whole lot thicker. Yeah, you guys have any ideas or anything like that of videos I should do? Like if you want me to do more knife reviews or something along them lines, more multi-tools, just hit me up. Just tell me what you guys want to see. I mean, I understand some stuff I'm not going to be able to do because I can't afford to do it. Like, this is just, to me, I've always collected knives. I've been collecting knives since I bought my first one back when I was like 7 by myself. But yeah, there's some stuff I can't afford to do, and there's some stuff I can. Like, I can talk more about my guns. Some guns I have. I'm possibly going to be getting some car audio stuff. If I can get the money, I'm going to have a good car audio set up. I'm going to be that one's definitely going to be on because, yeah, it's my first setup ever. That's about it, guys. Just please, no negative comments. I've deleted about 4 negative comments so far on. Granted, I only have 10 videos up, but the ones that you know are negative comments, and then they're in a foreign language to start off with. Really? I checked out your channel. Well, there was this one comment that was like in Spanish, and I checked out the channel, and the dude spoke perfect English. But he commented on my stuff in Spanish, and I didn't understand a word he said. I mean, I could kind of guess. Like, there was one that was like, I knew it was idiot, and then there was another one that I knew was stupid. It was like El Stupid or some shit like that. I don't know. But no negative comments, please. Just, yeah, I don't know. I got on there today on my YouTube account on my computer and checked it out, and I had a couple comments, and they were negative, and the one was in Spanish. I wasn't going to try to translate it. I'm like, I probably don't even want to know what it says. It would probably piss me off. But yeah, I mean, that stuff happens, I understand, but you don't have to just, I don't know. You don't have to be a dick. Yeah, this one definitely is long, and I'm going to be carrying, just for the fact that it's a Switchblade and it's a dagger blade, I'm going to be carrying this one every day. I mean, this one's almost my hand length. I mean, about 8 inch, I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to be carrying this one constantly with me, just due to the fact that it's quick to get out, open. It's big enough to get anything I need done unless I need one of these little things. Then that's where my little brother comes in, because he'll be carrying this. If Dad will let him. I mean, he's only 10. He probably doesn't need to be carrying this. But, yeah. That's that, I guess. Well, see you next time. Signing off. Oh, wait. Rate, comment, subscribe, just no negative bullshit. Because I am deathly allergic to bullshit. Forgot to add that. But, yeah. See ya.